Hi, I'm Jennifer Vranes, professional artist and founder of Let's Dabble, and your new painting best friend, woohoo! And so you might know me from my aspen and birch tree paintings or any of my thickly textured paintings that just feel like you could walk right into them. So I've been a full-time artist for over 25 years now. And about 5 years ago, I started teaching women who thought that the best part of the story was already written, how to paint incredible paintings. And then something magical happened. They picked up a palette knife, followed along with me stroke by stroke, and they created something beautiful, something that they didn't even think was possible. And now, Let's Dabble is a thriving, joyful art movement. We have an online community with monthly classes. We host in-person retreats around the world. We do fun 30-day painting challenges. We throw live virtual paint parties. And yes, sometimes we take long-forgotten thrift store paintings and give them a complete makeover just for fun. So this challenge is where it all comes together. You'll see tutorials, stories behind the scenes from our Dabble retreats, card painting demos, student transformations, and plenty of inspiration to remind you that it's not too late to surprise yourself. So if you're creative at heart, even if you've never picked up a paintbrush or a palette knife before, this channel is for you. So hit subscribe and come be part of something fun, something inspiring. I mean, you never know. You just might discover your inner artist too.